secondary memory or storage devices. We will start with your hard disks. Okay. Hard disks. Uh, you know how data is stored in hard disks?
So there'll be a magnetic disk
हाँ,
and data will be written on it, I think.
हाँ, correct. So, जैसा as its name suggests, it is disk. Disk means it is circular. Okay. So let's say this is your ठीक है हार्ड डिस्क और sort of CD की तरह imagine करो, ठीक है, with a hole in the middle. Okay. Then what will be there? You will have some tracks on it. What are tracks? कुछ इस तरह का होगा स्ट्रक्चर. Okay, and then it will be like कुछ you will be having वो कुछ स्पाइडर्स वेब टाइप का दिखेगा तुमको. ठीक है. What happened? ये तो कुछ अलग सा स्पाइडर वेब बन गया. Okay. Just so कुछ something like this will be there. अब देखो what are tracks. जैसे मान लो कि if you have some piece of data, तो हो सकता है कि some data will be stored in this track. Okay. Though I have drawn बहुत मतलब space के साथ, but actually you will have very close lines and there will be very very small tracks. ठीक है, तो you can just imagine a magnified view of that. Some data might be here, some data might be in this track, some data might be in this track. Okay, let's say in this track. Okay, and some data might be in this track. Okay, तो वो जो स्मॉल स्मॉल स्ट्रिप में डिवाइड होगा ना बिकॉज ऑफ दिस circular concentric circles and then radial lines, so that will result in division of this concentric circles into small tracks and data will be held in these tracks. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so is it clear how it gets? क्या हुआ इलम, why are you appreciating my knowledge? Okay, ठीक है. तो what happens is कि अब वो how data is read, तो this disk will be there and it will be spinning. तो you might have heard कि when you open any particular file जाके उस पे click करते हो तो you can feel it कि your disk is spinning inside your laptop or your computer. Okay, so उसमें क्या होता है कि something will be there which will be reading the tracks. You might have seen that बहुत बड़ा बड़ा रिकॉर्ड आता था ना olden times में, that used to some lid.
Gramophone, sir.
हाँ, ग्रामोफोन बोलते हैं ना उसको. तो उस टाइप के जो ओल्डन बिग रिकॉर्ड्स विल बी देयर। अंकित, यू हैव नेवर फेल्ट योर सिस्टम वो इट स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक स्मॉल जनरेटर, वो बहुत स्मॉल, यू विल फील सम वाइब्रेशन?
Sir, in SSDs it won't be there. In laptop, I
अच्छा
think.
हाँ, इफ ही इज हैविंग एसएसडी, अगर उसके कंप्यूटर में होगा देन इट वोंट बी देयर। ओके, दैट इज करेक्ट। So I'm not sure. Maybe if your hard laptop is new, then you might not observe if you are having entire SSD. पर आजकल भी SSD भी full तो नहीं आता है. At least you have something. कुछ portion is there. Rather majority portion is the normal hard disk. Okay. So इसमें क्या होता है ना कि वो sort of वो जो gramophone type का होता है, वो tracks it will be rotating and that lid will be some sort of lid will be there. It will be going in tracks, and as if it has to read this, it will rotate 3-4 times. Just sort of this will be rotating like drum, and that lid will be placed till the time it comes to this sector by rotating this lid that will read through this. If till the time it comes to this sector, this portion of data won't be read. ठीक है? Yes, होता है. If you see many times when you read कि वो थोड़ा feel करोगे, if you touch it, your computer, you will see something, feel like something is spinning inside. Okay, so पुराने computers में तो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. You will see heat coming out and spinning very fast. So such things will happen. आजकल के कंप्यूटर में because of this SSDs and बहुत silent होता है computers, so because of that heat generation is also less. So generally you won't feel it to that extent, but even yes, that will happen always. Okay, so till the time that reading needle rotates through this concentric circle and reaches there, your data won't be read, and that is the reason why this sort of hard disk takes time. हाँ, फैन तो देख सकते हो, फैन तो यू कैन फील, बट नॉट द यू कैन इवन फील द हार्ड डिस्क रोटेटिंग, तो वो भी होता है. ठीक है, कभी देखोगे एक साथ बहुत सारे डेटा को, फाइल को ओपन कर दोगे ना इन योर कंप्यूटर, देन यू मे थिंक कि उसमें क्या होगा, व्हाई यू विल फील दैट रोटेटिंग. Let's say you open 4-5 files. One file is in this track, another file is in this track, another file is in the lower track. So what will happen? Your needle will have to that reads through this data, that will go through here first, then it may spin back to here, then it may spin back to here, then again it may come back to a different तो clockwise anti-clockwise way में rotate करते रहेगा. तो if you open many files at the same time, then you might feel that vibration and this rotation. One single file खोलोगे तो हो सकता है उतना पता ना भी चले, but those things sometime or the other, if you very keenly observe, you will be able to feel the spinning of this your hard disks. ठीक है, तो उसमें ये होता है, magnetic tracks होते हैं ये actually. तो that is your tracks are read, data is stored in the track. ठीक है, right? तो this is how your data is, and that is why it takes time. मान लो कि one piece of data is this and another piece of data is this. So first that will spin through, and this needle will go through this part, and finally will come to this track, and then we'll read it. Okay, and then again if you have to come to a data which is in the lower track, then it will again maybe spin back and come back to this track. Okay. हाँ, वो that is the files stored in your, जैसे मान लो song play करते हो, तो song, if song has to be played, first song will be located in your secondary hard disk. That is a secondary drive, that is your hard disk. Then once that is read, then only it will be brought to the primary device and will become a process, primary memory, and it will become a process. So primary बनने के लिए, in order to move this data, a copy of this data to the RAM, first it has to be read from here, this location. So your data will spin and it will go back, it will reach this track, and then that data will be fetched. ठीक है, we are always file, computer is everything is data in the computer, Ankit. So we are always concerned about files. What else you want, or you are interested in computer? Everything is file or data.
I'm saying that we are concerned with opening the files, not the sound.
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ अच्छा, तुम when you are using it, okay, correct. तो अब ठीक है, if you are too much focused on what the work you are doing, you may not realize. दैट इज करेक्ट. पर ध्यान देना कभी, ठीक है. तो एट टाइम्स व्हेन यू आर डूइंग टू मच प्रोसेसिंग यू माइट फील योर कंप्यूटर फैन कभी ऑन होगा तो उस समय ट्राई कीपिंग योर पाम ऑन योर लैपटॉप, ठीक है, वो लैपटॉप का कीबोर्ड के पास. so feel it, you may be able to observe कि कुछ spin हो रहा है. okay, so that is how this is read, ठीक है. तो that is one of the things. तो pie shaped and this area where data is stored is known as sectors. तो कुछ इस तरह का होता है. In CDs also something similar is there. So that is how this hard disks work. ठीक है. I'm just giving you the information. Book में दिया हुआ है tracks. What are tracks? So tracks are concentric circles on the magnetized surface of the magnetic disks. ठीक है. Concentric circles जो ये बन रहा है ना on this magnetic disks. See, hard disks are magnetic media. ठीक है, वो magnetic material से बना होता है. So you can say this is magnetic media. Okay, has tracks. What are tracks? Tracks are concentric circles on the magnetized surface. Tracks are concentric circles on magnetized surface of hard disk, ठीक है, जिस पे डेटा स्टोर होता है. Then you have sectors, ठीक है, has tracks plus sectors. The tracks on the disks are, okay, the tracks on the disk surface are divided into individual segments known as sectors. This track, because of these radial lines, you can see is divided into small chunks. Okay, so you can say sectors are, what are sectors? They can say tracks are divided into invisible segments. Division of tracks into invisible segments. ऐसा नहीं हो, तुमको दिखेगा नहीं naked eye से. Into invisible segments. ठीक है. So this is all about your hard disks. Okay. Now next is, और क्या दिया हुआ है?
Sir, so hard disk is divided into tracks and tracks are divided into sectors, right?
Yeah, ये देख रहे हो ना, ये सर्कुलर जो देख रहे हो, it's just like you can say, have you seen this racing tracks? वैसा नहीं है क्या? Some tracks are there with concentric circles are forming tracks, and these tracks, because of these radial lines, though it won't be visible, but you will see that they are because of these radial lines, those tracks are divided into small chunks known as sectors, where actually your data reside. ठीक है. Then second type is CDs. CDs का full form क्या होता है?
Compact disk.
Very good. Compact disks. Okay. उसके बाद compact disk कितने तरह के होते हैं? How many types of compact disks are there? 3. सुने होगे ना? CD-ROM, CD-R, okay, and then you have CD-RW. Okay, तो बुक में जो तुम्हारा डेफिनेशन दिया है मैं एक बार पढ़ देता हूँ. I won't discuss it much. ROM मतलब क्या? Read only memory. This is used only to store information and cannot be used to store data. Store information. ये क्या लिख दिया है? Recent. अच्छा, what it is meaning is ये cannot be, this can only be used, जैसे वो plain text data होता है ना, उसको store नहीं कर पाता है ये. Cannot store data.
Sir, we can't write new data in the.
नहीं वो तो है ही, but cannot store data, can store you can say informations like your graphics, that means book भी थोड़ा गलत बोल रहा है। CD ROMs उसके बाद है can be recorded on this disk only। अच्छा, इसको छोड़ दो, ये गलत दे रहा है। I'll come to this and this. This means read. That means इसमें क्या होगा? Only you can read through the data. Only writable. You can write only once. You can write only once. Okay. Then after only read aloud. Only read aloud. Okay. Here यहाँ पे क्या होगा?
Sir, what is difference between data and information, sir?
Data and information. बताओ, I had discussed.
Yes, sir. Sir, organized facts is information. Data is
Raw
unorganized.
facts and figures is known as data, and processed and organized facts and figures become information. Computer accepts data and converts it into information. ठीक है, वो फर्स्ट क्लास में देखा था हमने। बोथ रीड एंड राइट अलाउड। अलाउड तो बुक में बोल रहा है कि डेटा कैन बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन दीज डिस्क ओनली वंस। CDR का वी आर टॉकिंग, एंड CDRs allow you to write on one part of the disk one time and another part at a later time. Each part of the CDR can be written only once and disk can't be erased. मतलब क्या? If you buy a new CDR, you can, जब तक तुम्हारे पास स्पेस है till that you can write one part, but once you have written, then subsequent writing is not allowed. उसके बाद बस केवल वो रीड करने के लिए काम आएगा। ठीक है, and CDRW is just like read and write, both are allowed. पर ROM में it has gone, I don't know haywire, but I'll still read. This is used to store information and cannot be used to store data. Manufacturers use CD-ROMs to record information including text, graphics or audio on CD distribution. अच्छा अच्छा, ये मतलब क्या बोल रहा है ना, कुछ इस तरह की बात कर रहा है वो। मतलब टू स्टोर information of big size, मतलब क्या? Like गेम इंस्टॉलेशन डिस्क, गेम का सॉफ्टवेयर, मूवीज, ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स। ओके, तो कुछ इस तरह की वो बात बोल रहा है, जैसे ई बुक्स, ऑडियोज तो नहीं बोल रहा, गेम सॉफ्टवेयर, ई बुक्स, इंसाइक्लोपीडिया का सॉफ्टवेयर, इंसाइक्लोपीडिया, तो even your game software, ebooks and encyclopedia. So basically what I will suggest is ki it has mixed up both CDR and CDR ROM, because CDR is also working that way, तो CDR में भी तुम वो सारा चीज कर सकते हो। ओके, I'll see कि गूगल पे कुछ अलग बताता है तो वो भी बता दूंगा मैं। इवन मैं भी पहली बार इतना माइन्यूट डिफरेंस देख रहा हूँ CD ROM। ओके, सो okay, Critical disk में
Sir, it is showing that it's only read-only data.
it दोनों में तो रीड ओनली डेटा ही है, ठीक है। अच्छा अच्छा, इसमें जानते हो क्या दे रहा है कि दिस इज रिलेटिवली ऑफ स्मॉलर साइज, इसका एक्सटेंडेबल फॉर्म ऑफ CDR is CD-ROM, ठीक है। मतलब स्मॉल अमाउंट में जब तुमको स्टोर करना है तो CDR will be enough, बट अगर इफ योर डेटा साइज इज कंसिडरेबल, हाँ बुक में भी वही बोला है, वन लाइन में तो इट हैज रिटन, ठीक है। तो ठीक है, इतना ही जान लो काफी है, उतना डिटेल में कोई पूछेगा नहीं। ओके, तो ROM and R is same, but only is extendable form of CDR is CD-ROM. Okay, and CDRW is both read and write are allowed. Then is your DVDs. Okay, so and remember, if I have not mentioned, these are optical media. Optical media मतलब using lights the data is read. Okay, even this is optical media. Okay, ओके, सो इसमें डीवीडीज में ये बोल रहा है इंफॉर्मेशन में एज पर योर बुक के सेम एज CDs, but is able to hold 15 times as much information, is able to hold 15 times more information, मतलब वो ROM से भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है। या आई रिमेम्बर, देखो जब व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग CDs तो उसका स्पेस आता था 702 MB, वो मोजरबियर के CDs खरीदते थे हम लोग, ठीक है। DVD का फुल फॉर्म किसको पता है, बताओ?
Digital versatile disk.
हाँ,
Digital versatile disk.
डिजिटल वर्सेटाइल डिस्क, श्योर हो?
Yes.
ओके, आई ऑलवेज थॉट इट इज डिजिटल वीडियो डिस्क। चलो लिख दे, देखते हैं बुक क्या बोल रहा है। अच्छा, बुक also mentions digital video disc. वीडियो वर्सेटाइल चेक करो तो, वर्सेटाइल है क्या? बुक माइट बी रॉन्ग, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं।
Sir, it is versatile.
Google पे Sir,
It
both,
is
sir.
both, ठीक है, वीडियो और वर्सेटाइल डिस्क। DISC होता है या DISK होता है डिस्क में, आई एम नॉट श्योर। SK चलो लिख देते हैं। ओके, also able to hold about and about 20 times as fast and transfer 20 times faster, मतलब डेटा कॉपी करोगे उससे तो 20 टाइम्स फास्टर कॉपी हो जाएगा तुम्हारे कंप्यूटर में, ट्रांसफर ऑफ डेटा 20 टाइम्स फास्टर। ओके ओके, राइट। देन इसमें भी दो तरह के होते हैं, टू टाइप्स। ओके, ओके, देन ओके इसमें भी वही 3 टाइप्स है, 3 टाइप्स the same DVD ROM, DVD R, DVD RW, just like them. इसका extendable form is this. This can store 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. Okay, and इसमें थोड़ा कम होगा उससे, and this one will be like both read and write will be allowed. Okay, it may have the same capacity. तो जनरली डीवीडी में अच्छे खासे स्पेस मिल जाते हैं तुम. ओके दिस आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वो स्मॉलर साइज में आता था तो इन कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क्स. ओके राइट देन यू हैव पेन ड्राइव्स, थंब ड्राइव्स, फ्लैश मेमोरीज जिसको कहते हो. We are all discussing right now secondary storage devices. Flash memories like pen drives या उसको thumb drives भी बोलते हैं. Okay. Then अच्छा so इसको फ्लैश ड्राइव्स, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दिस इसमें कनेक्ट्स थ्रू USB connectors, USB slot से you insert it, and then it is a solid state memory. Solid state memory. Why it is a solid state memory? Because as no moving parts in this, no moving part like magnetic disks, or no use of what you say lights to use करते थे ना, lasers etc. Use of lasers. So lasers we know that we use in optical discs like CDs and DVDs, and here moving part में magnetic discs. So I think now it must be clear कि why these terms are there कि solid state hard drive, SSD hard disks बोलते हैं ना, and your magnetic disks, your optical disks. So optical disc में laser use करके, light use करके the things are read. Okay, and in flash memories तुम्हारा solid state होता है, where nothing, neither moving parts are there like magnetic disk, or nor lasers are used for reading or writing, so neither it is an optical disk, so therefore nothing moves, so it is called solid state memory. Okay, and of course एक और आता है similarly you can understand solid state disks. ठीक है, वो SSD हार्ड डिस्क बोलते हैं ना, SSD. तो रीजन इज गिवन हियर व्हाई दे आर नोन. तो फ्लैश मेमोरी क्या होता है? फ्लैश मेमोरी इज अ वेरी स्मॉल साइज, पर लेट्स से इफ यू बाय सॉलिड स्टेट SSD हार्ड डिस्क बाय करते हो तो यू मे बाय फॉर 512 GB 1 TB, but of course it will be costly, but yes. So solid state memory costly, but very fast data access. You might be remembering a few classes, not recently, 1 or 2 months back, I used to say, give me 10 minutes, let me start my computer. And it used to take 10-15 minutes. But when I got this, what do you say? When I got this solid state in my computer, SSD, तो then within 20 seconds में कंप्यूटर ओपन हो जाता है because nothing moves, तो कुछ घूमना नहीं, डायरेक्ट सर्किट को चिप को रीड करना है, तो it is very very fast. Unlike that, it doesn't have to rotate and go to specific sectors, pick out the data, load it into RAM. वो कुछ होना नहीं है. Circuit reading is very fast. ठीक है, immediately data is read and is sent to this primary memory for execution. That is
Sir,
the process life cycle.
Even
Yes.
moving files like from one place to another, it'll be faster.
Even transfer of files from one location to another is very very fast. Okay, within this disk storage locations also. So that is the advantage. फिर तुम्हारा आ जाता है, yes, you might have heard of Blu-ray discs. Okay, what are these?
Sir, like for I saw them for like movies, like high definition movies.
Very high definition movies, correct. But one thing is there, Blu-ray discs are like supermassive. Supermassive means if DVDs are like 4 to 5 GB or 10 GB, this might be like 28, 30 GB or 35 GB like that. इसका बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस भी हो सकता है. Okay, तो can hold up to 50 GB तक भी इसमें डेटा दिया हुआ है, 50 GB और 100 GB even. ठीक है, डबल लेयर, सिंगल लेयर, डुअल लेयर टाइप का होता है दिस, ये सब भी होता है. तो उसमें बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
BLU or BLUE?
BLUE, blue is a color. I have never heard of this. Blu-ray discs for very high definition video audio experience. Audio. Okay, मतलब you can easily compare. अगर ब्लूरे डिस्क लगा के कोई वीडियो देखोगे and same video footage if you see in normal ordinary discs, you won't even feel like using those DVDs. ब्लूरे का बहुत ज्यादा ये होता है. Can you tell me कि अच्छा, these are also optical media, ये भी optical media है. That means laser is also used or light is also used for reading data. Okay, now can you tell me have you ever seen have you opened CD drive and have you observed some red light always falls on it from one very small देखोगे एक छोटा सा aperture होगा, वहां से red light falls on the tracks of the CDs and then data is read. Have you noticed that red light anywhere?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो CD में क्या होता है ना, that red laser falls. ठीक है, वो रेड कलर का लाइट फॉल करता है. एंड देन लेट्स से कि दिस इज योर, आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस इन 3D. डेट में नहीं बनाता हूँ उसको. लेट्स से दिस इज योर CD. सम लाइट विल बी फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप. वो कंटिन्यूअसली लाइट फॉल करता है एंड इट रीड्स द सेक्टर्स. उसके वो जो गोल गोल ट्रैक्स पे it falls and reads. Okay, so the disc, the difference in the Blu-ray disc is that this is normal CD, this is your CD DVD, ये सब है.
Sir,
but हाँ,
how can we see inside the drive after closing the thing, sir?
नहीं अभी नहीं देखोगे वो व्हेन वी हैड जो पहले वो लॉन्ग कैबिनेट वाला सीपीयू होता था ना इन दैट यू कुड ऑब्जर्व एंड इवन इफ यू ओपन इट और थोड़ा सा उसको खोलोगे तो इवन स्टिल यू कुड सी इन माय ओल्ड कंप्यूटर आई हैड वो डेस्कटॉप था ना उसमें इवन इफ यू इजेक्ट दैट सीडी ड्राइव तो उसमें दिखता था कि लाइट यूज्ड टू बी स्टिल ऑन नाउअडेज तो you will not be able to see
Yes, sir.
वो ओल्ड कंप्यूटर कैबिनेट्स आते थे दैट डेस्कटॉप वंस ना इन दैट यू कुड ऑब्जर्व Okay. Now what happens is in Blu-ray discs,
Sir, why do CDs get scratches, sir?
because because उसपे वो बार बार रोटेट करता है ना तो रोटेट करने के कारण एंड मोस्टली स्क्रैचेस have come in the CD not because of data being read उसके कारण भी आता है but because of not proper handling by users कहीं भी रख देते हो उसको you will not put it in the copies you will carry it in your pockets तो वो फिर उस केसेस में स्क्रैच आता है मोस्टली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑफ कोर्स रीडिंग आल्सो कॉजेस सम स्क्रैचेस ठीक है बट इफ यू कीप द सीडीज वेरी प्रॉपर्ली ना तो देन इट विल लास्ट लॉन्ग और इफ यू मिस हैंडल इट देन तो स्क्रैचेस विल कीप अपीयरिंग ठीक है खैर अब तो सीडी यूज कौन करता है ना आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्लू रे में क्या होता है ना instead of this red light what happens is that a blue light falls and then that reads the sectors in the circular fashion I don't know to what extent I'm able to display this in 3D but मान लो कि उस पे blue light fall करता है उसके circle में it will read the tracks so this is the case of Blu-ray Okay, this is a case of CD. Now, can you tell me ki what is the difference between blue light or red light? ऐसा क्या होता है कि it is that what difference can this make red and blue?
Sir, like wavelength or something.
हाँ, correct. ठीक है किसका wavelength ज्यादा होता है
Blue will have a longer wavelength.
Blue will have a longer wavelength.
I think, sir.
You think so? Come on. हाँ like हाँ Xerox machines में भी देख सकते हो वो सब चीज अरे तुम्हें याद है why do we have red lights in the traffics? क्योंकि that will go farthest. ठीक है तो रेड लाइट का विबग्योर में भी इवन देखोगे तो वो तुम्हारा आर लास्ट में आता है तो दैट इज द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द वेवलेंथ
यस सर
इस तरह का फंडामेंटल मिस्टेक मत करो ओके एनीवेज तो ब्लू लाइट विल हैव अ ब्लू और सॉर्ट ऑफ वायलेट टाइप का जो लाइट होगा दैट विल फॉल तो कैन यू टेल मी laser light will have lesser wavelength than red laser. Therefore, what will happen? Which will spread over which will एक बात बताओ कि let's say this is a screen though I should not be expressing in this much detail okay so what will happen because it is having more wavelength तो ऐसा होता है ना कि let's say this is a sector to be read तो this because of higher wavelength this light spreads over the wider area ठीक है and reads the data but in case of blue light what will happen this same intensity of light falls on lesser area ठीक है so that record is मान लो कि इस particular point पे illumination will be more so that means this track is read to a better extent okay and that results in the high intensity when compared to this light, red light. So that means the concentration of light on the particular sector is more in case of blue light, okay, which results in reading the high definition version of the same data. Okay, and that because of a higher wavelength, that data that is not focused on a very small area, that spreads over a larger area, so that data is not read to that clarity or that you can say better extent or that good as an extent. तो वो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स उसमें होते हैं. सो नॉट एग्जैक्टली, अब एग्जैक्ट तुमको इसका चाहिए कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, तो यू मे डू R&D, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट जस्ट टू help you imagine that because of this shorter wavelength to be packed, this blue light is packed more tightly and stored in less space. ठीक है, वो एक छोटा एरिया पे ज्यादा जाके वो लाइट डेटा पे फोकस करता है, एंड इवन राइटिंग ऑफ द डेटा takes place in a very compact manner or the blurring is not that much. ठीक है, तो just it's just like pixels, if you spread it, it will you can say distort. Okay, and if your data is concentrated in a very small area, then you will get the very high definition view. So when even if you are writing data or reading data, both writing and reading data is done in a very compact section. Okay, in a very limited space, you will have many amount of data and details of the data. Okay, and it will not, details of the data will not be spread over a larger section, so it will not distort when you try to read it. Okay, तो कुछ उस तरह का कंसेप्ट होता है. Therefore, we can say this allows data to be packed more tightly and stored in less space. This allows data to be packed more tightly and in less space. Okay, और इसी कारण also और उसमें ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं स्पेस, बुक में क्या बोला है, हाँ, so it's possible to fit more data on the disk, possible to fit more data on the disk, ठीक है, even though it's the same size as CD and DVD. तो डेटा फिटिंग भी ज्यादा होता है, क्लैरिटी भी ज्यादा होता है, even though having the same size as CD and DVD. So देखो, there are twofold advantages of this. So first is कि in the same space, it's just like you have a box, and जितना ज्यादा density होगा, if you keep denser material in the box, you will be able to accommodate more and more amount of data. And if you take rarer, that is less dense material, and if you try to fill it in the same amount volume or the same box, you will find that less amount of or the less weight of data you can or less weight of that item can be, or less amount of that item can be put in the same space. So because जो नॉर्मल ट्रैक पे इतना स्पेस लेता था डेटा, उसको तुमने इतने पे ही स्टोर कर दिया, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डेटा विल आल्सो बी स्टोर्ड. तो यू कैन सी फॉर द सेम डेटा इट इज टेकिंग दिस मच स्पेस हियर, here it is for the same data it is taking this much space. So though the space, this area is same, but it will be able to accommodate much more data as compared to case of CD and DVD. Also, because in the limited area the details are very much, so this leads to finer reading of the details and very high resolution experience quality by the viewer. तो बस मिला जुला के आइडिया ले लो. You don't have to get into too much of technicalities. Because of the shorter wavelength of the blue light, these two things happen. That is better resolution because of the compact fitting of the data. Okay, and focus of the red light in the small limited area with which results in reading data to much greater detail. And also because the data is focused in a very small area, when in case of writing in the same space, much more data can be written when compared to CD or DVD. तो ये देखो, ये बात बताओ समझ में आया कि नहीं आया ब्लू रे के केस में, how it happens and why it is able to accommodate much more data with greater definition.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Good. बढ़िया. ठीक है, with this ये थोड़ा सा मुझे बोरिंग पार्ट लगता है, तो वो खत्म हुआ. Okay. I think I had discussed with buses, right? About buses.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, buses. How many types of buses I discussed? Three, na? I think address bus, control bus, and data bus. Right. One more type of bus you can add is input-output bus. ठीक है? वो that sort of connection, or you can say that circuitry is only between all the inputs and output devices to the CPU. ठीक है? Input output के लिए अलग highway होता है. ठीक है? So nothing much to discuss. So that you don't forget, I'll mention here.
Sir,
हाँ.
can you explain defragmentation?
अच्छा, defragmentation. चलो. First, let me write that, else I'll forget. Note. Buses, 4 types. Buses means connectivity of hardware with circuitry or wiring. ठीक है? 4 types. Control bus, data bus, address bus, and input output bus. Okay, this is for input output devices to the CPU. So IO devices, connectivity to the CPU, to the system. You can write it directly, right, to the computer system. Okay, other 3 we had discussed earlier. Okay, चलो defragmentation पूछ दियो तो बताता हूँ. It's a very good concept. देखो, let's say, imagine fragmentation and defragmentation. I'll write it in a better way. ये सब कॉलेज में वैसे पढ़ोगे, but it's a very good interesting concept, so I'll explain. ठीक है. Let's say you buy a new system. Okay, so you buy a new system. एक नया कंप्यूटर खरीदा तुमने. उसमें what will happen? Assume, though not correct, it's, if I say assume you have how many? This is 15 blocks. Okay, assume you have 15 bytes of memory in your computer. I'm talking about 15 bytes. This is sheer insult to computer. Okay, 15 bytes of memory in computer, in your new computer. where each block is representing one byte. Each box representing one byte. ठीक है? So I have 15 blocks. So चलो लिख देते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 10 13 14 15. ऐसा कंप्यूटर कोई खरीदेगा ही नहीं तो खत्म हो जाएगा. You can do nothing with that. Okay, right. So what will happen is, now नया कंप्यूटर लाए and you have, let's say, 3 files to store. You have 3 files to store. ठीक है? मान लो फाइल 1 requires 4 bytes. Okay. File 2 requires 5 bytes. File 3 requires 4 bytes again, and file 4 requires 2 bytes. What do you think? Will I be able to store all the 4 files?
Yes, sir.
Okay, new system है. But remember, जो तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर मेमोरी है उसमें कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि इमेजिन करो you were somehow able to fit all the data correctly. ठीक है? तो let's say this is space is taken by F1, 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 F1. Okay. Then उसके बाद next 5 bytes is taken by F2. Okay, F2, 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 F2. 1 2 3 4 F2. Okay. Next 4 bytes is taken by F3. F3. See, I'm giving you an example in a very layman term. So just follow the story, you will understand. F3, F3, and F3. And then next file will require 2 bytes. मान लो कि ये movie है, ये song है, ये text document है. You can imagine like that. Okay. And this is F4, F4. Happy? 4 jobs were there, 4 files were there of different type, and you were able to store it. मान लो किसी तरह store कर दिया first round में. Later, oh yeah, later you deleted F1 and F4. Okay. So what will be the state of the memory? State of the memory will become like this. Which all memories will be free? चलो जो free नहीं है उसको मैं shade कर देता हूँ. I'll shade the memories which are not free. Okay. So it will be like F1 is you have deleted. So all the places of F1 will be empty. So I'll not shade them. ਫਿਰ F2 is still there. So F2 starts from 5. So this is occupied. 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 ये भी occupied है. This is also occupied. And you got rid of F1 and F2. ठीक है. So here F1 deleted. So free. And F2 deleted. So this is also free.
F4, sir.
Sorry, F4 है ना. So this is also free. Correct? So imagine karo, this was step 1, step 2, step 3. यहाँ तक story is clear? Everyone? शुरू में I had 15 boxes.
Yes,
15 boxes to keep. I had some items to insert in those boxes. Items got fully stored. Okay? And then I deleted, I removed some items from those boxes, and these boxes are representing nothing but your computer's memory. Okay? Or your secondary devices, your memory. Right. Now, I'll go to this. Pooja and Nanika, तुम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Okay. Okay, this will be step 4. Step 4 में क्या होगा? Now, let's say I want another file. I want a new file known as F5 to be inserted, and that file requires 5 bytes or boxes or blocks. ठीक है? Now, tell me how many space I have total left?
6.
कितने खाली है? 6 boxes.
6, sir.
And I have to store a new file which require only 5 blocks. But the condition is the file will go together. All the one single file will occupy continuous block slots. Okay. So will I be able to store?
No, sir.
Why? Because my full pool memory, though it has enough memory space left, but those space is not that many space or that much space is not continuous. Rather, the entire available space is more than what I need, but they are fragmented. Can you see they are fragmented? They are in different fragments available. They are in chunks available. Okay. This is known as fragmentation of memory. So, but now we have we have 6 bytes available to be written. And we need 5 bytes for our new file. Still, we can't store it as available 6 bytes are not present in, or you can say ये नहीं सही है, as we don't have continuous को कहीं कहीं देखोगे कंटिग्यूअस भी बोलते हैं मेमोरी के केसेस में. मेमोरी ब्लॉक्स that is 5 blocks required for our file. In this case, we will say that our memory is fragmented. That is continuous blocks or memory blocks are available in chunks to be written, or that is memory blocks. ये तुम्हारे बुक के कंसेप्ट में नहीं आएगा. You might learn these in colleges, पर कंसेप्ट अच्छा था इसलिए बता दिया. It's a good concept. Memory blocks that are memory blocks are available in chunks, available to be written, available in chunks, you can say available in chunks. ठीक है. So what happens in our, now consider this to be not only 15. तुम नया लैपटॉप लेके आए हो, you have 1 terabyte of hard disk. So do you think कि your computer memory will become fragmented very soon?
No, sir.
No, क्योंकि ये तो 15 था, तो because only 15 blocks were there, so immediately 4 5 few files you will write and few times you will delete, so you will find that your initial memory is now fragmented. That means memory is available, but they are available in chunks, and even if you want to store file which requires lesser space than the available, but because of the absence of continuous block of required memory, you will not be able to store. So in your computer, in your new computer, for a fresh hard disk to become fragmented, it depends on how frequently you use your computer and how much, for how long you have been using your computer. So both the factors will determine how long will it take for your computer memory to get fragmented. Okay. So generally I'll say if you are a moderate user, so nowadays, and if your hard disk is, let's say, 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte, 1 terabyte होगा तो मेरा तो अभी तक fragmented नहीं है, though I have got it once or twice. Yeah, so I think 2 years में you won't realize your computer has become fragmented. For a moderate use. But if you are a heavy user, मतलब कि हर दिन 10-15 GB data from this side in and out of your computer, then you can expect maybe in 6 months you will find that your computer has become slow, you are not able to store data. And how can you check? Okay, how can you check your data is fragmented or not? So you can, and if your data is fragmented, you can go and analyze it on disk fragmenter. You can write, let me see, हाँ देखो ये आ गया ना, defragment and optimized disks. So if you go and search in this, so यहाँ पे ये तुमको बोलेगा एनालाइज करो. ओके, तो if you go and click on optimize, तो first it will analyze कि how much it is fragmented. So देख सकते हो my C and D drives are solid state drive and then E and F are hard disks. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे तो इसमें अभी नहीं होगा, ये तो नया है. And here you will see my E and F drives are 0% fragmented because I recently got it formatted. तो अभी तो उसमें कुछ ज्यादा डेटा भी नहीं है. ठीक है, so from there you can check and optimize and analyze कर सकते हो. Okay, कि how much fragmentation is there, and if it is fragmentation is there, then you can defragment. What do we mean by defragment? Defragmentation
make them continuous blocks.
Continuous blocks, correct. Defragmentation is a technique to obtain continuous blocks.
Sir, will this result in deletion of data? Something?
No. ठीक है. And now don't ask me how. फिर वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स एल्गोरिदम है, फिर कॉलेज में क्या पढ़ोगे? मैं ही कंप्यूटर साइंस का डिग्री दे दूंगा तो. ओके, ठीक है. So continuous blocks is obtain continuous blocks from chunks. Chunks of fragmented memory. Okay, ठीक है. Is it clear what happens in fragmentation and defragmentation? देखो और बताओ. I am ready to give, but nobody will accept it in the market. So कोई वर्थ नहीं होगा उसका. Okay. ये बताओ, if this process is this thing is clear, and then we'll stop here. Though I intended to discuss a few more things and complete this unit too, but ठीक है, ये भी मजेदार concept था, तो पढ़ लिए हम लोग. Okay. Is it clear? Let me know, then we'll stop here today. And tomorrow we'll see mobile processing. That diagram I have sent. Don't try to study and analyze it. I'll help you with that in 15 minutes. And then we will see binary addition, subtraction, binary में calculation, binary numbers में कैसे add करेंगे, subtract करेंगे, वो सब चीज देखेंगे. Okay. So such things we'll see tomorrow, and maybe and few concepts of gates. So maybe 1 or 2 class, then अब finally इसको बंद करते हैं इस week में. Okay. Right. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक, I'll stop the recording here.